Living in the day-to-day of life can be overwhelming at sometimes. One of the best ways to get above it is to do a weekly review and look at things not on the day-to-day, but on the week-to-week. And you can get this done in less than 30 minutes. I've been doing this for the last several years, and I've refined the process down to something that is efficient and takes a look at life overall rather than just one or two specific areas like most other weekly reviews. It borrows it from a wide variety of sources, and I'm going to walk you through the template, which you can find linked in the top of the description below, so you can apply this to your own life. This is Get Skill. I'm Jake, and this week we're focusing on learning how to do a weekly review so you can be consistently productive. So my weekly review is broken up into 3 categories. First is going to be a brain dump on 10 different sections to get a holistic view of your life. Next is going to be a gratitude exercise, which has scientific backing to improve your happiness. And then finally, there is a calendar review to help get all of your goals scheduled so you actually can take action on them. So let's talk about each one of these in detail. The first is going to be that brain dump. There are 10 categories for the brain dump, and this comes from Brendon Burchard. I've modified them slightly, but the idea is that you take a holistic view of your life and look at each one of them and do 5 things on them in a after-action review, which comes from David Googins and the Navy SEALs. My 10 categories are as follows. Number 1 is physical health. 2 is mental and emotional health. 3 is love. 4 is families. 5 is friends. 6 is mission. 7 is experiences. 8 is spirit. 9 is finances. 10 is learning. I also have a general category for anything that doesn't quite fit into those. Now, for each one of those 10 categories, I'm going to do 5 things. First, I'm going to give myself a score from 0 to 10 for how well that section of my life went this last week. Then I'm going to list what went well, what didn't go well, and then what I could have done but didn't that would have made things better. Finally, I'm going to summarize everything by saying what my goal is for the next week. Next is the gratitude section, and this involves answering just 2 questions. It comes from Kurtz's video about gratitude, and it says, what are you grateful for today, and what are you grateful for in your life? For each one of those questions, I list at least 3 things. This generally takes me about 2 to 3 minutes to get done. Finally, I do a calendar review, and for that, there are 3 sections to it. First, I'm going to look at the last week and look at all the applications and just do a quick mental check about how each one of those went. Next, I'm going to write down all my upcoming obligations for the next 2 weeks and all the goals I want to get done. Finally, I schedule that in to the upcoming calendar. This is a lean, mean fighting machine when it comes to weekly reviews, getting it done in less than 30 minutes, not overwhelming your entire day and not requiring mountains and mountains of work each time. Just a quick check-in in each area of your life, a little gratitude exercise to improve your happiness, and then getting all of those goals scheduled for your life. It's as simple as that. And this practice right here can help you be consistently productive. Give it a shot. Check out the template linked below. This has been Get Skill, and as always, thanks for getting better.